everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate. Today I want to show you my twig bound journal, and for this I use ArtyMAZE Rustic Winter kit. This measures 8.5 by 6. There's 80 pages total, front and backs. I just used some pieces of limb I got from out back in my woods, and I don't know if you can see it for sure. Let's see if I bring it up. Yeah, see the little moss and everything growing on here? I thought that was really cool. I did cover this couple, 2-3 coats of Mod Podge over the sticks, and I used wax linen thread to bind it. On the front I have a picture of this beautiful stag and the Rustic Winter little banner up there, and then on the back I have this tag with a really beautiful little bird on the back, and both of them I have layered up on some burlap. I have it tied with just some jute twine, and let's take a look. Inside, I've got a accordion folder in here, and inside that I've got just a little booklet with some coffee dyed paper inside. This is the first signature here. I have this beautiful evergreen and the stag on there. I put some burlap ribbon on there. Up here I guess got a little banner tuck with one of the little mini postcards out of the kit. Got some coffee dyed paper. This is of course another page out of the kit. And over here I've got a corner tuck pocket with one of the tags. Just have added a little red ribbon tied with some twine, sewed around with green thread, and then add this little part from little cutout from the journal to it. Just put a little bit of pom-pom trim along that pocket. Got a tab here with a leaf dangle. Just put some of that red and green paper across the top of that page. Over here I've got a little pocket with the bells. It's got a cute little bird banner that I attached to it, and again everything's all backed and sewn, the tags and the journal cards. On the pocket I have one of those little wooden discs that I put one of the cutouts from the birds, and then just a little piece of ribbon on the top of that. This is a hidden paper clip up here with the stag on it. And I can't do anything with my band-aid finger here. I had a run-in with a pineapple and a really short knife. So I had to keep that thing bandaged up. We got a little pocket here with the stag on it, and then one of the long journaling cards that's included in the journal. Just get a little bow ribbon on the front of that. I have an envelope here from the kit. I just tied a little dyed muslin little bow on there, and inside here I have a journaling card. This was such a beautiful kit. I just loved it. All the colors and the images are just so striking. This is just a piece of vellum that I printed one of the pages out on here. Got a corner tuck here. This was one of the cards in the kit as well. And the stag on a big tag. I got some eyelash trim, a little ribbon, and tied it with a little twine. There's the center of my signature. There's the other side of our vellum. Have a little pocket here with a little bird tag in it, a little burlap on it. I just did collaged another one of the little cards that came with the kit. I have another hidden paper clip here with this stag on there. Got a long envelope here And inside is another one of the long tags. And I just put this little, come on, go in there. Well, I'll fix it. One of the little oval tags that was in the kit as well. Just have a little collage on this page here. Got another tab with a deer on it with a ball clip pin. Got a little pocket here, just a little collage pocket I did up, and I put one of these little mini postcards in there. Just got a little, one of the elements from the kit, just stuck down there on the corner. And here's the back side of that. Here you can see kind of how this goes together. The signatures are bound to the sticks, and then you slide fabric under in between the signature and the stick and attach that to your covers. So that's how that goes together. That was a tutorial by Caterina Giglio, and I will put a link to that in the description box below. So here we've got this pretty little bird, and I got a little bird up here with one of the elements from the kit. Got a little bird pocket here, just got a little crocheted lace on there. Got a tag with ribbon, tied with a ribbon, and then I put one of the stag elements on top of the tag as well. Just put a piece of decorative paper along the edge of this page. Here I've got another pocket with a stag. Here I did just the evergreen and the little berries and the pine cones on there. Punch that out, put it on top of one of those wooden discs with a little bit of fabric underneath it. And here I've got one of our ArtyMAZE's numbers, and I've got them on there with little baby brads. I've got a red ribbon tied with some string for this tag. Got a big pocket here. This is one of the postcards, and in here I've got another two of the large tags that come with the kit. This one I just sewed a little element onto the bottom of it. Got another tab here. This has a feather on it. These tabs were in the kit as well. Just got a little collage down here with one of the stamps from the kit. Here I've got some more, this beautiful image on the vellum. Got a hidden paper clip here with the bird and one of the stag elements from the kit tucked up under there. Got a paper clip with some tickets, and that's holding this little journal card onto this page here. There's the other side of our vellum page. Just got a little collage up here on top of this page. Got a little corner tuck pocket here with one of the journaling cards. I've added a little bit of burlap and a button on there. And there's also another tab with a owl. Got another corner pocket with the pom-pom trim here. And I've got one of the large tags. I added a tab to the side, some burlap, a button, and a little crocheted trim for the top. Have another hidden paper clip here with the birds, and it's holding in this tag with this beautiful stag in it. Over here I've got another pocket with the stag. Here's a little bird underneath on top of some ticking on one of those wooden discs. Got a little bit of sheer ribbon up here and this beautiful Christmas tree image on that tag. Love that. Over here I just got a large tag. It's just held on with a paper clip and a little collage on the front of here. Got a little evergreeny kind of ribbon on top. Got a little fox stamp down here in the corner. Here I've got a tall pocket with just some journaling paper inside. And this is a little tuck here with this Merry Christmas greeting in there. And everything is part of the kit. Here I have another envelope, compliments of the season. And inside here I've got a bird journaling card, and then I have a smaller one of a different bird, and I just put a little bit of fabric ruffle along the side of that. And that goes in that envelope. Got just a little birdie down here in the corner, and then we're to the back, and there's my library card, and I finished it on December 22nd. And I have just an image of one of the stags on there. So there you go. That's how she looks. It was pretty easy to do, not too bad. I thought it would be kind of hard. As soon as you get used to how to hold on to the sticks while you're lashing them to the signatures, that was the only really fiddly part about it. And the fabric that I use to hold my covers on, I just use the same fabric as I did on the cover. So it kind of really blends in. You can't really tell too much that you've got some extra fabric running along there. And again, I used one of my project planners on here. Just kind of drew out what I thought I might want to do. Listed everything that I used, and yeah, these really come in handy. But here she is, my Rustic Winter, beautiful kit from ArtyMAZE, and just like to know what you think about it. So please, drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, maybe even subscribe. And I thank you so much for stopping by today, and I hope you all had a lovely Christmas. And we'll talk to you again soon. Thanks. Bye.